In this tutorial, we'll delve into 3 groundbreaking software applications poised to revolutionize the realm of content creation: EMO AI, Google's Lumiere, and OpenAI's Sora. Join me for an exciting exploration as we navigate through their unique features and functionalities. Don't miss out. Stay tuned until the end for an immersive experience. Let's kick off this tutorial journey.
The first software which we are going to talk about in this tutorial is Google's Lumiere, which is going to bring a revolution in the world of cinematography, content creation, and video generation. This software is built on a model called space-time diffusion. With that model, we are going to generate videos out of this software. This is instead going to have a diffusion model which will help us to gain a longer span video with a better frame rate and persistency. The first category is text to video. You can see all these videos which are generated out of a mere text. If I go through these small boxes here, we can see the text prompts which have been used in order to generate this particular video. So if I go ahead and take a simple prompt like this one, I'm copying the prompt from here. If we get into Leonardo AI's dashboard and go to image generation, I just type the same prompt here, and then if I go ahead and generate 2 such images under Stable Diffusion 2.0 model, aspect ratio. So let me get 1:1 aspect ratio, and then if I generate, let's see how these images turn out to be. This is the image, and if I make a video out of it, I can simply go ahead and do that by clicking on this motion video option. And now let's see, after adding motion, which one turns out to be better. So this is the result from Leonardo AI, and you can see beside this is the result from Lumiere. Do let me know in the comment section which one is going to be more effective. The next feature is image to video. These are all images turned into video exactly the way I have created this video from Leonardo AI. And these are the outputs, and this is the prompt which are being used, input prompts. Stylized generation model, where we can give a particular a reference image, and that way you can generate similar kind of image from other videos. Part is video stylizer. You can see these are the kind of models which have been made from one particular video. The source video was a blurred image and was a lady running or jogging. That has been redesigned as a wooden block, a paper art, toy bricks, and flowers. Similarly, you can see here the input video was a dogs. This is again with wood blocks, paper art, blocks, and flowers. Let us see see what is coming up next. Next is cinema graphs, where you can select a part of any image and that part can be animated only. Right here we can see only the butterfly is animated, and that too in a most realistic manner. You can mask a part of a particular video and give something, create something out of it. Suppose this is a source video where there was a mask and this can be recreated by AI. Please do let me know what you think about these features. Are they going to change the entire video generation model forever? I really look forward for your comment. With that, let us move forward to the second software of today. The second software which has come up in GitHub in a paper recently is called EMO AI. This software is focusing on generating the lip sync from an image most realistic way. This is how they are creating realistic lip sync and video synthesis, while it can make a particular image sing or talk, right? We are giving two inputs here, one in the form of audio, one in the form of image, that is PNG and MP3 files, and it will generate lip sync.
When I was a kid, I feel like you heard the term, don't cry. You don't need to cry.
And one night, he goes off crazier than usual. Mommy.
Yes, one. And in this manner, he was to imagine me his love.
Did a full 180.
With that, let us move forward to the next software, which is Sora, which was announced by OpenAI last month. Let us see how this software is going to create 3D animation videos just by one click. These videos are created with the help of some text prompt. You're seeing on my screen some 3D animation videos, and the prompts are also being shown on the screen. So these sort of VFX or animations can be created just by a couple of words. Let us move forward to see the vlogging and cinematographic shots. These are few videos which are created again from AI and with that mysterious software which I'm going to talk about. Now let us do some fun thing. Let us take one of the examples and try to create the same video from different other text to video softwares which are available at this moment. The first software I'm going to show you is Runway ML. If you want to see the complete tutorial of Runway ML, you may get that video link in the description. You may check. For the time being, for testing purpose, I have copied the same prompt of a squirrel 3D animation and I have pasted that same prompt here. Now I have changed a couple of parameters here. Here I have taken pan left camera motion and saved it. And here I have taken from different styles, I have picked up 3D cartoon style. And then go to generate for 4 seconds. And this is what I got from Runway ML text to video animation. Now the third software which I'm going to use is Leonardo AI Motion. Here again, you can get my complete tutorial link in the description. You may go ahead and check that, but for now, I will show you how have I created these videos. Well, once you log into Leonardo AI, you need to go to image generation option, and on the search, on the prompt box, I have pasted the exact same prompt. And then I have selected 2 images. From here, I have selected 3D animation style and just change the ratio to 16:9. Then I have just clicked on this generate button, and these were 2 images which came out from this prompt. This was number 1 and this was number 2. Then I upscaled it by going to this smooth upscaling option. Once it is done, go to this small motion option and keep the motion strength 2 to 3 maximum, and then go to this generate option. And after generating this was the final outcome from this software with the same prompt. Now you can jolly well understand the difference. It is hell and heaven difference with the existing AI text to video, text to motion softwares and the video which I have shown you. Now let me reveal the name of the software. The name of the software is openai.com/Sora. Please go in the description and get the link, and you can check. This is basically at this moment this is not physically available to us, but you can see the potential. You can just type the prompt and it will generate the most realistic animation video, or even anything, whatever it is coming in your imagination, you just put it in words and it will create the visuals in the most realistic way. And these are few of such examples. It has been announced only on 15th of February 2024. So we can expect, we just need to put the prompt in the prompt box and it is going to generate up till 60-second video, guys. This is to be a very challenging part for text to video generators. Only 3, 4, 5, 6 seconds, maximum 10 seconds of clip we used to create, and here in Sora we will be able to create 60 seconds long video. So we have seen Sora is going to bring a revolution in the world of artificial intelligence, text to video niche, and we, those who are actually experimenting with AI tools, it is going to be a true blessing for all of us. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI, and try out these prompts in some other text to video softwares which are available with us, and see the difference and get ready for this revolutionary journey with OpenAI Sora. It is going to be available for us very soon. Please, I look forward for your comment. Do let me know how this software appears to be for you. And if you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.